Welcome back. We'll continue with the second video in human resources. In this video, we'll concentrate on population pyramid. Before starting with population pyramid, children, two more topics are mentioned as per the textbook order. After discussing these topics, we'll move on to population pyramid. Patterns of population change. Coming to patterns of population change, children, we know all countries are experiencing population growth. Okay, birth rate. Some countries are experiencing more birth rate. Okay, some countries with the population controlling measures, they are trying to reduce the birth rate. Yeah. So, for example, Kenya has a high population growth because of high birth rate and high death rate. Okay, because mainly birth rate is more in Kenya. And coming to the example of USA, population growth is slowing down because of the low death and low birth rate. Okay, and here we need to concentrate on low birth rate, children, because countries are taking measures or policies to reduce the birth rate in their country. Okay, so country like Kenya is experiencing high population growth, but USA we can see birth rate is coming down. Then population composition. It refers to the structure of the population. Okay, the structure of the population is known as population composition, and it includes population composition, or the structure of population includes the number of males and females. How many males and females in that country, whether the country is having more females, okay, that we can find out. Also, the age group of the people in that country, then how the people, whether they are educated or not, then what type of occupations they are doing, and what the income levels and health conditions. All these factors we can find out from the population composition of a country. Okay, so what is population composition? It's the structure of the population. Okay, and it includes the male or female. Okay, male-female ratio of that country. Then age group, whether they are educated or healthy, or which type of occupation they are doing. Now coming to population pyramid, children. Yeah, you can see the population pyramid here. Okay, it's the world's population pyramid, children. Yeah, coming to the meaning. Okay, population pyramid, the population composition of a country. The population pyramid shows the population composition of a country. By looking at the population pyramid, we can find out the male-female ratio, age group, okay, and it is also known as the age-sex pyramid. Population pyramid is also known as age-sex pyramid. Then, coming to the age group, children. Age group, the total population is divided into various age groups. As you can see it in this axis, children, you can see it here. Okay, age group is divided into mainly three categories, children. Okay, but age wise division you can see here: 0 to 4 years, 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years, like that. Okay, actually the age group is divided into three categories. two dependence group and one working class. Okay, first dependent group is the children up to 14 years. Children up to 14 years, dependents. Okay, and people above 60 years. Above 60 years. Okay, they are also after retirement. They are also coming under the category of dependents. And in between, okay, between these two dependent groups, they are the working population in a country. And you can see it in the pyramid children. One side is showing the male ratio. This blue colored area is showing the male population in the country, and the pink color is showing the female ratio in that country. Okay, and it's an example only, children, not related to a particular country. Okay, now we'll take 3 countries population pyramid. So what is population pyramid? It shows the composition of population in a country, structure of population in a country, population pyramid. Coming to population pyramid of India. You can see the population pyramid from the pyramid itself, children. Okay, now at the x-axis side, in maths you may have studied like that, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, y-axis the age group is mentioned. Okay, and on the x-axis the male-female ratio is presented. Okay, and we can see and we know in India birth rate is more. Okay, birth rate is more. Okay, that we can see it from the population pyramid, children. The birth rate for females and male. Okay, birth rate is more in India. Okay, and coming to the other features of the population pyramid in India, it's broad in the younger age group. Okay, it's broad in the younger age group. That means in the working population we have more number of working people. Okay, working class is more. Comparing dependents are less. Then large number of young labor force is the main feature of India's population pyramid. And the main problem is birth rate is more. Okay, and now death rates are also coming down, children, with the medical facilities. Death rates are coming down. So only how can we reduce the population in a country? By reducing the birth rate. It's the population pyramid of Kenya. Okay, and here we can see the birth rate and death rate both are high. Okay, birth rate is showing at the lower level, children. Okay, both birth rate for male and females are more in Kenya. Then a large percentage of children die at the smaller age. That is why and very few old age people, and you can see, okay, it's narrowing to the top level. Okay, that means at the younger age itself, okay, many people die due to some health issues or other problems, children. Okay, and it's about Kenya. And one more we have, children, the population pyramid of Japan. Okay, you can see it from the structure itself. What about the birth rate? It's not like India's or Kenya's population pyramid. The shape is entirely different. Why? Because of the lower birth rates. Okay, you can see it from here, low birth rate. Okay, and low death rates also, children. Low birth rate and low death rate. Okay, and more working population also. working population is more. Yeah, and they are skilled, healthy and hopeful young people. Okay, that is why Japan is one of the well developed country in the world. Thank you, children.